In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money from UK to India by Remitly. It's very simple. First, you must need to create an account on Remitly from UK location, and you must need to set your account location to UK. Then you can go with the Remitly official website, or you can use mobile application. For mobile application, you will find a send button at the bottom. You just need to simply click on send button here. From there, and you just need to select the country to India. You also need to select the country. In the Remitly website, you will find the best rate from the Remitly. Here you can see the index exchange rate, and here you will find a drop down. Simply click on it and search for India. Now after clicking on India, you can see your sending country location has been changed. Here you can see after a short loading, here it is. You can see it's now India. That means you are sending money from your Remitly account to India. Now simply click on send button. Here you will find the send money. Also you can see the sending to India, and you can be assured that you are sending money to India, and you'll need to just click on the send money button. And also you can use this button too. From this page, you can enter the amount that you want to send, and Remitly will convert it according to the best rate here. Now as you can see, it has calculated the amount that they receive, and now we can select the delivery speed. We can select express, which is Remitly's fastest transfer. We can pay with debit card or credit card, and here is the amount that they will get, the exchange rate. And also you can go with economy, which is not fastest but Remitly's best price. It will provide you the best exchange rate, but you can pay with the bank account in this method. Now here is the fee. You can see the fee and the amount. With the fee, total amount, now simply click on continue. Now you can go with the delivery method that available in India, that is bank deposit, UPI, cash pickup. What is UPI? UPI is a payment system that allows you to easily send money to an Indian bank account. So let's see how we can use them. Now click on bank account. If your recipient want to receive money in any bank account, then you just need to get the bank name and the account details from your recipients. For example, this is the recipient's bank, and you have to enter the recipient's bank account number and then the personal details. Then also in the UPI, the same process. You just need to get the virtual payments address from your recipient, and you have to enter the details according to their information. Now you can also go with cash pickup. Here is various type of cash pickup options available to choose. Make sure that your recipients have account in this cash pickup accounts. You can enter the name, first name and last name, and ID number according to your recipient's ID in that cash pickup branch or section. Now after selecting that, you just need to enter the sender details. That means you have to enter your own details about your personal details according to your Remitly's information. Make sure it perfectly matched with your Remitly's information. Then you can enter the payment method that you want to pay the money, you want to transfer the money from. You can choose a payment method. Then you just need to go to the payment method platform, where you have to give the permission for the transaction. Then you have to enter the account credentials and confirm the transaction, and that's all. This is the process of sending money from UK to India by Remitly. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.